Welcome back to Get Your Sax Together. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. This week I'm going to teach you how to play the saxophone solo from Old Time Rock and Roll by Bob Seger and the Silver Bullet Band. The saxophonist on Old Time Rock and Roll has got the rather unlikely name, although very appropriate name for saxophone, of Alto Reed. That's possibly not his birth name. Sorry, Alto, if that is your birth name. But his name is Alto Reed. Very appropriate for being a sax player, of course. This track is taken from the Bob Seger's 1978 album Stranger in Town, and it's got one of the most famous sax solos of all time. The track was made particularly famous after the 1983 movie Risky Business featuring Tom Cruise. I'm going to break down the solo into 4 separate phrases, 2 bars each. In the way we always do, there'll be notes for alto and tenor, so you can really get a grip of this great tune. If you don't want to remember it all at this time, go down straight into the description and get your PDF, which looks like this. That is transcribed for alto and tenor, and very neatly and painstakingly copied by me, but I'll give it to you for free. Just go down into the description and click the link and you are game on for that lovely piece of work. Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into it and learn the first phrase of this iconic solo, and I'm going to play it nice and slowly so you can learn it. Here we go. You've probably noticed that Alto Reed plays this solo with quite a growly, gravelly tone. If you want to learn how to growl on saxophone, go to the card linked right up there now, and I'll teach you how to do it. There you go, special bonus. Okay, let's move on to the second phrase. Here it is played nice and slow for you. The third phrase is a little bit gnarly for tenor because it goes up to a top A flat, which is never the best note anyway. And it's pretty impressive the way Alto Reed gets this high A flat out. He just cranks it out. It's great. You might struggle with that. If you do struggle, take it down the octave. If you get your PDF from the description, you will see that in the tenor part, it's marked as octave. You can just play it down the octave. No big deal. Okay, here is the third phrase. And finally, here is the fourth phrase, broken down for you. If you're enjoying these videos and learning how to play these really great famous solos, please go up and look at the playlist I've made called Sax Hall of Fame, with a bunch of famous sax tunes all broken down and made it super simple for you to learn on sax. So go and check that out. Okay, let's put this all together. Let's put the 4 phrases together. As I sometimes do, I've knocked up a backing track to go with this so it sounds a bit better. And this is what it sounds like put together. Here we go. In case you hadn't already noticed, this sax solo is full of scoops and bends and falls. Now, if you want to master them, I've made a whole video just covering how to do those things, how to get up to notes, how to get down from notes. And the video is linked now on the card, so go and check that one out. If you're enjoying the channel, you can give me a bit of feedback and help me keep these videos coming to you. Go and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. You can also click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, which, by the way, is every Sunday, 7 a.m. in UK time. Saxing up your Sunday, man. You can also leave a comment and go and get your PDF from the description. There'll be much more sax content coming up, including a great show next week. So please tune in, keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you then. See you later, guys. Bye.